Are
you cruising?
Yeah.
Tight.
The tights do make it a little tougher.
Get your feet underneath you. You can get it. What?
Think she's the slowest cruiser in town?
That's what they call it, cruising. Yeah. Taking her time. Can you reach it yet? Do the big reach? Here it comes, the lean.
I know,
Good
Mama,
recovery.
put your tights on. I'm sorry.
Good recovery. Oh, 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 oh. If you step towards it.
Bless her heart.
It's one of those decisions in life, so if it can help you, I'll let you learn. Step towards it, baby. Right,
Oh, you got another
Take
thing.
that in lieu. Yeah.
Good job, Butterbean.
Good job. This is what she really does. Good job. Congratulations.
Sit. Stay. Sit. Stay. All right.
Place. Bye, little one.